Welcome to Too Much Life YouTube channel. Hello, I am your host from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I'm here to show you an unboxing of the May 2019 Facetory Luxe Plus monthly subscription box. This is what the package looked like when it came in the mail. Luxe Plus. I ordered my Luxe Plus package on May 20th, 2019, all the way from California. It arrived to Edmonton, Alberta, Canada by May 27th. I wasn't notified of the delivery by DHL courier until May 28th, however. The Luxe Plus package cost me $42.95 US, which converted to $60.08 Canadian. This cost already includes shipping, and taxes. As soon as I ordered it on May 20th, Facetory provided me with a tracking code using DHL courier. The box is colored pink. Came with a card that says "You are the best." Here are some of the contents, but there are more underneath it. So, because the May 2019 package already sold out, I ended up getting the best of box from Luxe Plus, and I received an information sheet that contained the information, key ingredients, and directions how to apply it. It also came with an information sheet how to do a skincare routine. So here it is, the Luxe Plus skincare routine. The first one is to cleanse, which helps your skin stay clean and prepare it for your other skincare products. Step 1, use makeup remover or oil cleanser. This helps gently remove makeup and sunscreen. Step 2, a facial cleanser, which helps get rid of dirt and impurities on the skin. Step 3 is to use a physical and chemical exfoliator or clarifying masks. This includes an exfoliator or clarifying mask to help detox the skin. Exfoliate at night 1 to 2 times per week. The next one is to prep. Prepare your skin for your essences and moisturizers. So step 4 is to use a toner, which helps balance the skin after cleansing while adding moisture. The next is nourish, which brings nutrients back to the skin. So step 5 is to use an essence, which is filled with ingredients that will assist in nourishing your skin. Step 6, to use serums, ampoules, or treatments, which helps fight off any signs of aging, dullness, hyperpigmentation, acne spots, etc. Step 7 is to use a sheet mask, which is perfect for adding extra hydration and nutrients. The next is to moisturize, which locks in hydration. Step 8 is to use a moisturizer, helps in keeping your skin nourished, needed for all skin types. Step 9 is to use a night cream, which helps rejuvenate and prevent puffiness and fine lines. Step 10 is to use a sleeping pack. This is a great product to use if you think your skin needs extra hydration and moisture, perfect for the winter months. Next, we have Protect. Keep your skin looking fresh and youthful by protecting it from the sun damage. So step 11 is to use sunscreen, which helps prevent aging and skin cancer. How to sheet mask. The first step is to cleanse and tone. The second step is to apply the mask for 10 to 25 minutes. Step 3 is to remove the mask and pat down the remaining essence. Tips to sheet mask. First, do not leave mask on for over 30 minutes. Second, use the remaining essence to moisturize the neck and shoulders. Third, make sure to apply a moisturizer to lock in the essence from the mask. The first product that I got is called Banobagi Milk Thistle Repair Cream. It's a moisturizer that is regularly priced at $38 US, and it's about 50 milliliters in net weight. This is what it looks like. Key ingredients and benefits include, the first one is sunflower seed oil. This is perfect ingredient for troubled skin looking to repair itself from stress and inflammation. This works on moisturizing the surface to help get rid of flakiness and smooth out of the skin. Second is Silybum Marianum seed extract, also known as milk thistle seed extract. This ingredient is packed with antioxidants and anti-aging benefits. Directions how to apply this. The first step is to apply the cream all over your face as the last step to your beauty routine. Second, using small circular motions, gently massage the product into your skin. The second product that I got is called Soroci Rice Embryo Repair Skin Softener, and this is a toner which costs $25 and it's 50 milliliters in weight. This is what it looks like. Some of the key ingredients and benefits include Y-oryzanol, which is extracted from rice bran oil. This ingredient helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, dark spots, and wrinkles. The second one is grapeseed oil. This ingredient is perfect for sensitive skin and helps treat acne while assisting in moisturizing dry, patchy areas. Directions how to apply. First, after cleansing your face, apply 1 to 2 pumps on the palm of your hands. Second, gently pat the product into your skin, starting from the center of your face and working your way out. The third product that I got is called Yadah Green Tea Pure Cleansing Balm. This is a makeup remover which costs about $23. It is 100 milliliters in weight. This is what it looks like. Some of the key ingredients and benefit include olive fruit oil, which is rich in antioxidants and helps maintain the skin's moisture barrier without clogging your pores. Next is green tea leaf powder, which helps reduce signs of aging and protects the skin from sun damage. Directions how to apply. First, apply a moderate amount of product on dry hands. Second, gently massage and melt the product into dry skin, allowing all the makeup and impurities to melt away. Add some water to emulsify the oil and continue massaging the skin. Third, rinse with lukewarm water. And fourth, proceed with the second water-based cleanser. The fourth product that I got is called NOHJ Pore Bubble Mask. This is a wash-off type bubble sheet mask which costs about $4. So this is what it looks like. This has the best packaging. Out of all of the sheet masks that I got, this was the nicest packaging. So some of the key ingredients and benefits include grapefruit fruit water, which is high in antiseptic and antibacterial properties to cleanse and tone the skin. The next is tea tree leaf extract, which helps eliminate excess sebum and reduce acne inflammation. Directions how to apply this product. The first is to cleanse your skin. Second, apply the mask on your face for 5 minutes. Bubbles should form while masking. Third, remove mask and gently massage the remaining bubbles over your face. And fourth, wash your face with lukewarm water and continue with your skincare routine starting with toner. The fifth product that I got is called Neogen Lab Revital Propolis Ampoule Mask. So this is an ampoule mask which costs about $4.50 US, and which is 30 grams in weight. This is what it looks like. Key ingredients and benefits include Propolis extract, which is a hydrating ingredient made by bees as a sealant for beehives that helps to protect and heal the skin from breakouts and irritation. Next is called niacinamide, which is a skin barrier repairing ingredient that brightens, hydrates, and firms the skin. The sixth product that I got is called Facetory Be Bright Be You Brightening Foil Mask. So this is a brightening gold foil mask which costs about $4 and 26 grams in weight. It looks like this. Some of the key ingredients and benefits include Caenomylis sinensis fruit extract, which is an antioxidant-rich ingredient that helps to strengthen the skin and protect it from UV damage. The second one is lemon fruit extract, which is an ingredient packed with vitamin C that protects your skin against acne and works to promote bright, glowing skin. The seventh product that I got is called Chamos Acaci Dark Circle Thief Eye Patch, which is a moisturizing goggle-type eye patch mask. It is usually $3 USD and 3 milliliters in weight. It looks like this. Key ingredients and benefits include snail secretion filtrate, which helps to even out and soothe the skin, and again, niacinamide, which improves the appearance of enlarged pores, dullness, and strengthens the surface of the skin. Directions how to apply this. First, after removing all makeup and cleansing your face, apply the eye mask over your skin. Be sure to remove contact lenses before applying the eye mask. Second, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. And third, using your fingertips, gently tap extra essence into your skin. The eighth product that I got is called Chamos Acaci Anti-Wrinkle Black Eye Patch. This is a moisturizing goggle-type eye patch mask, which is about $3 and 6 grams in weight. It looks like this. Key ingredients and benefits include peony root extract, which is rich in antioxidants and helps brighten the complexion. And again, snail secretion filtrate, which works to brighten dull skin while treating dark spots and wrinkles. Directions how to apply. First, after removing all makeup and cleansing your face, apply the eye mask over your under eye area with jelly-like substance attached to your skin. Second, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Third, using your fingertips, gently tap extra essence into your skin. The ninth product that I got is called the Facetory Hair Headband, which is about $10. It is so cute and it works so well. It keeps itself in place and keeps the hairs away from your face as well. First, place the headband underneath your hair, and second, take the two ends of the band and wrap the hairband up and around your head, twisting the two ends to secure in place on top of your head. The 10th product that I got is called G9 Skin Milk Balm Mask, which is a toning mask, which I got for free, and it's 20 milliliters in weight. So I got 4 of them, and the packaging looks so cute. It looks like this. Key ingredients and benefits include milk protein extract and strawberry fruit extract. This tone care mask helps transform dull and dark skin tones into clear and lively skin. So some self-care reminders for yourself and I. Whether you're extremely busy as a teacher, as a mom, as an entrepreneur, all of the above or none of the above, make sure that you're still taking the time to take good care of yourself while taking care of everyone else at the same time. No one else is going to care more about you and for you than you, because only you know yourself the best and what makes you truly happy. Remember that self-care is not selfish. When you take the time to replenish your spirit, it allows you to serve others and to give to others from the overflow. You cannot serve from an empty vessel. When you take care of yourself first, you will always have something left in you to give. I recommend doing self-care activities at the very least a minimum of once a month, preferably once a week, if not every day. Smile. Happy looks good on everyone. Thank you for tuning in. We truly appreciate your time. Please like and subscribe to Too Much Life. Here are our social media accounts. On YouTube channel, we are called Too Much Life. On Instagram, it's toomuchlifebiz. And our business email is toomuchlifebiz@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and have a great day.